How is it that they're able to see the bugs they're eating? How could it be so many bugs for them to eat? Look at them go, especially the guys on the left. If I went down and looked into the grass, I couldn't even see where they are. That they're eating. They're coming at me. So they're used to human beings. How close will they come? That's amazing. I'm very still. How close are they going to get to me? This is about how close they're going to get to me. There's one lifting its head. Look at the bills. The bills are so perfect now. That's as close as they would have got to me, I guess. They know I'm here, but they figure I'm safe.